And stop transcription. Okay, the recording is started. And today we're going to talk about the week 17, but let me start from the basic news. Currently, almost all interviews are finished. Some of you can see that Mentor was updated. Because of mentor availability, I a little bit changed the pairs between mentor and student, and I hope it's okay for you. But in case you have some doubt or it's not comfortable for you to communicate with your mentor or some other reason, please do not hesitate and just tell me about it, and I will try to find another mentor for you. I hope that it would be interesting and useful, this communication with mentor, and you get as much knowledge from your mentor as you can. Okay, it's about news, and let's talk about the current week. Oh, current week is 18. Sorry. I hope that last week you familiar with TypeScript. Start pathing the courses, online courses, and you know what it is, what is types, enums, and so on. And this week you should improve your knowledge related to TypeScript. There are a lot of materials, but it is most popular and useful in nowadays in the project. Uh, Related to me, last perhaps 7 years, I work with the TypeScript for every day, and most of my colleagues also work with TypeScript. And definitely, I believe that TypeScript today is much more popular than core JavaScript. But the main concept of this language is the similar with the JavaScript, but there are a lot of additional restrictions and possibilities. It might be working with the classic way to use classes, inheritance, and to use abstract class or public and private methods, and so on. So please learn this theme very careful, because I guess it's your instrument for future. And this week you firstly got the task that will be checked by your mentor. Pay attention that next week, at the end of of the next week, you should submit this task for mentors review. And in case you have any question related to TypeScript, or you need more information, or you need clarification, or you have a doubt related to implementation, you can uh, ask about help on your mentor, or you can ask about small meeting to ask some questions, or just to ask about support. So starting from the current week, you can use your mentor's mind in your educational process. So you have the task description. The main idea, you should create your own applications that will be shown news that you get from the news API. And pay attention on requirements, and do not forget to read carefully how mentor will be evaluate your task. And after you submit this task for mentor's review, I hope you will ping your mentor and say him that please pay attention. I submitted the task. Do not miss it, because your mentor might be forgot to check the appropriate tab in the RESTful application and just missed your pull request. Or you may ask your mentor what is the most applicable way to inform your mentor that you're ready for review. It's okay if you not just submit, but send a message via chat or email or something other ways. Also, during this week, till the end of this week, you should complete all katas in the code vars, and I hope that you did some katas previous week, but this week you should complete it. The issue with the submitting code vars is fixed, so currently you can submit and see a result very fast. And the next, also till the end of the week, you should submit Core.js objects. It's a set of tasks to apply knowledge related to object methods. And finally, also till the end of this week, I hope that you complete passing all necessary courses, online courses. And that's all related to current week. If you have any questions, please ask or write in the chat, up to you.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Um, in your work, what approach you use, object-oriented programming or functional programming? Because I heard that functional programming is like more fancy nowadays.
It's almost depend on main technology. I'm working with Angular, and Angular requires OOP. It's classes, inheritance, and so on. And just so we have class, and in the code I will um, extend this class. But in case you are working with React, it's most about functional programming. If I'm not mistaken, React developers is more, the amount of React developers is more than Angular developers. That's why might be functional programming is more popular, but it fully depends on the main technology. Unfortunately, I don't know what approach is using in the Node.js or in the Vue.js. I don't know, but you can ask Google to know what interesting for you and what approach you prefer to use, or you should train to use to be prepared to the next stage.
Okay, thank you.
And the question in the chat, how much is the second stage program duration? The duration till the end of June. So after that, you will pass the final interview. It's kind of exam. And after that, you'll be able to join the next stage, stage 3, but you should perhaps choose Angular or React. The stage 3 will be almost about the frameworks. Thank you for very much for answer. You're welcome. Okay, and that's all. If you have no question, let's ramp up. Have a nice day and bye bye.
Bye.